Okay, today, guys, we're going to be using the Sipping Pretty by Kylie Jenner and her 21st birthday collection palette. Then we're going to go in with Tequila Tangerine. We're just going to go in and use that as a transition and blend. And then, of course, we're going to use a couple other colors as technically transitions and just blend them in together. I want to say we use Tequila Tangerine. The other color I want to say is Martini Mama. Then the purple one, where is it at? It's kind of confusing, to be honest. Pre-game. And I want to say that they correlate from from the front to the back of each other, but it's kind of confusing. So then we're going to go in with that one color that I said, which I want to say is Martini Mama. And we're just going to go in. It's like a really soft, kind of pink, not really. Has like some purplish undertones, I want to say, but we're gonna go in with that. Today we're going to be doing a Bratz look, and it was inspired by a makeup artist. Her name is Sarah Khan, and then we're going in, what's the name? Pre-game. We're gonna go in with pre-game and just go over and blend. Yeah, this look was inspired by Sarah Khan. I've been wanting to actually do this makeup look for the Bratz doll, but I didn't know how to actually like bring it to life, and I don't think I've seen anybody else do this exact Bratz doll. You guys will see the picture what's it called on my thumbnail. As you guys know, I did a Bratz doll makeup look actually last year. Okay, actually we're going with the Too Faced Peppermint Mocha palette, and that was like a holiday collection palette, so yeah, it's probably not around anymore. But anyways, and then you go in with that pink. But anyways, yeah, I did that freaking makeup look. It's crazy when I had virgin hair, y'all. Like, girl, my hair was like so healthy, so beautiful, so luscious, so curly, and now it's pink. So I did actually have a wig for this, which is crazy. Oh, and then we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I always use the Tarte Shape Tape, usually for the concealer. I have to get a new one because I broke mine. Can you believe it? I have to, like, literally, it's taped up. But yeah, I did a Bratz look last year, so I look way different last year compared to this year, which is like cray cray. And even like the quality like of my camera and stuff like that, and like my content is so much different. Like, it has actually like progressed somewhat. Okay, then we're gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner eye topper, which is Eat Cake or something like that. I want to say, I don't have it right here by me, but yeah, I want to say it's like Eat Cake or something. But this was all from her 21st collection, 21st birthday collection, everything Kylie that I'm using. So yeah, she might not have it anymore. I'm not sure if it's on the website anymore or whatnot. Okay, so then once we're done with all that fun stuff, we're gonna get into the MAC glitter. This glitter was also from a holiday collection. I don't know why I'm using everything from freaking like collections that don't even really exist anymore, but basically you're just gonna pat it on. I didn't put any special like glitter glue or nothing to like stick it on. Honestly, I just patted it on. I mean, it looked pretty good overall. I wasn't really going anywhere or doing anything after this video, so I was like, you know what, girl, you're just gonna pat it on, and it is what it is. Why can I not speak English? But yeah, and then also this is a very important part. Like, why do girls do their foundation before they do their eyes and all that? Like, I don't understand, because then you get glitter and all that stuff. Like, how can you clean it up, you know? So that's why I feel like it's better to do your eyes before you start on foundation and whatnot, because then look at the mess that I was like causing under my eye. And I'm sorry, I don't want the glitter there under my eyes. I just want it on top of my eyes. So yeah, that's just me patting the glitter on. And then we're going to move into the NYX or NYX, however you want to call it, the liquid eyeliner. This is literally my favorite freaking liquid eyeliner. I need to try Wet n Wild because I hear a lot about that. Actually, one of the girls I work with is always like talking about it. She lives by it. She stands for it. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. But this is honestly my ultimate favorite eyeliner. I've tried another NYX one. It was like the marker or something like that, and I just didn't like how it like drew on. But this is so perfect. Like, I love liquids eyeliner. And honestly, I was having a hard time for some odd reason doing my eyeliner this particular day. I don't know why. I wasn't able to draw it on right. And then as we go on with the look, you'll be able to see that I do almost like this cat eye slash like Egyptian looking eyeliner, which I have never literally done before, so don't judge me. It looks a little rough, like when I'm recording it, once I'm done with it. But once you get onto the video and you see like the finished look, it actually looks pretty nice. And I actually did get a lot of compliments on this makeup look, and everybody was just kind of shook about it because I've never really done anything like creative like that with my eyeliner. So your girl had to like switch it up or whatever. So yeah, I'm trying to kind of get out of my comfort zone, you know, kind of, but it is what it is. And then yeah, I'm just finishing my eyeliner. I don't know why this is taking forever, lol. But yeah, I need to get my eyebrows done, y'all. Like, I'm probably gonna get them done tomorrow, which tomorrow's Friday. Right now it's currently Thursday while I'm doing this voiceover. But yeah, my eyebrows look super fucking rough. And then these are my favorite eyelashes. I want to say these are the Miss Lashes in M302A. They were the lashes I used in like a previous video. I want to say I had showed them, but I freaking love these lashes. I live by Miss Lashes. And oh, y'all peep the inner corner. Like, y'all see where I concealed the little eyeliner? Girl, a girl was snatched, okay? Yo, girl was looking cute or whatever. And then after this, we're going to go in with the Essence. It's like a jumbo, smoky 2-in-1 liner. I got this a long time ago. I actually got that for last Halloween for the Bratz look that I did last year. And the only thing I really don't like about the white, like, cream eyeliners, it's just, it, like, leaves chunks. And then we're going to go in with the Bare Minerals Lash Domination, the mascara that I always use. And that's basically it, guys. I did my full face off camera, so just eyes only today. Okay. Guys, I took the wig off because the actual look, she has a ponytail, and these are the closest earrings that I have to looking like her. Oh my god, we look like twins. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see her? Yes. And let me tell y'all why I forgot to add highlighter. I was like, I know I'm missing. Of course, I dropped my phone. I was like, I know I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something. But I'm just packing it on now. I'm trying to put it over the diamonds. And can you believe so much highlight over without getting my actual eyelashes? I mean, not eyelashes, the eye look. Or rather, get my eyebrow in the eye look. But you know. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering like, when the fuck did her hair get short? No, it's a wig. Just kidding. I mean, you can tell on Snapchat, you can't really tell as much, but on here you could tell. So right now I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner 21 lip liner from her 21st birthday collection. This is it. Oh yes. Just gonna okay, you guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And then these are the eyes. Dude, I didn't think I was gonna do this good in the eyeliner. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. So this was inspiration from a makeup artist that I do follow that is here, that lives in Houston, Texas. Her name is Sarah Khan, and I live for her makeup looks. They're literally to die for. Like, actually she was like my inspo for most of the time when I was doing my eye, because I was like, how am I gonna do this? Because let me show you guys how the Bratz doll looks. Okay, this is how the Bratz doll looks, and this is actually like my AV on Instagram picture, whatever, profile picture, whatever you want to call it. And then I was like, how am I gonna make this like real life come to life? So then Sarah has a picture, which I'll post too and like show up close. And this is like her outtake or whatever, her, what's it called, like her put on the look. So I wanted to do that. Maybe I'll like glue some little like crystals on my face right now also. And yeah, this is basically the final look. If I add little touches, I mean, you guys can tell, and some of them are just self-explanatory. But thank you for watching this video. I can't stop messing with my hair because it's short and it's weird having short hair. But thank you for watching, and I will see you. You can never hide, already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you never lied.